I received a parcel from Louise at Solwish recently. I spoke to her via the internet explaining my plans, and she was really excited to help me with my internet. So Solwish provide boosters for caravans, lorries and that sort of stuff for Wi-Fi, and so she's supplied me with everything I need to boost Wi-Fi, and also 4G. A lot of it I don't understand, so it's going to be a learning curve for me. I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride, so I will do a customary unboxing, and we'll see what we've got. Quite exciting. I will say that she has supplied this free of charge for us, for me to review, but she hasn't, she doesn't want any biased review or anything. She just wants me to show you guys what there is, and how it works, and whether it works. So yeah, so we've got a Solwish Patriot 300 AC KT, and that's a kit, I believe that's it there. So as you can see, there you go, we've got that. This is like, it's got a modem and an antenna. I think there are other companies that do it, but Solwish is a local British company, small family run business that do this sort of thing. So yeah, really good. So this is the external outdoor aerial that we put outside. It's got a big whip that goes with it, so that'll go on there, and that'll get hooked up outside on a bracket. There's several different ways of fitting it by the looks, so we can put that. It's all branded, which is quite nice. Stainless steel. Yeah, very nice. That'll actually fit quite nicely on my solar panel tower, which will be quite good. And that goes there like that, I guess. And then the thing on the top, and there's a bracket there that goes, so it goes like that, or like that, I guess. Interesting. Or you can strap it round, which is probably how I'm going to do it, like that. Or you can even, there's suckers, so if you want to bring it in and out, you can just sucker it to your window. Oh no, that's more to the side of a caravan or something like that, I guess. And you can do that. I think this one's recommended that you bring it in and do that, and then from that you then connect to a little modem, and then that becomes your center hub. And I think you can connect like 10 different devices to this. I'll put a link in the description, and so you guys can go and get your own information. Like I said, this is just an unbox. It's got a little antenna that goes with it. I'm guessing that's what talks to your phone and to your mobile devices and stuff. So this, but it all looks very well made. It's a nice and compact unit. The modem's not like the ones you get at home that are big and have to sit under your TV or under your phone or wherever. And then we've got a nice lot of cable there. That's good. USB connectors and 12 volt, or so you can go 12 volt or mains for your modem. And yeah, you can link directly to a computer as well, through a internet cable. But yeah, it all looks very nice and very well made. There's the aerial for the Wi-Fi, and it's just easy. The clamps come with it. Just clamps up like that. And then obviously I've got it running off my solar array, and then the cable just runs down and through a deck fitting there and into the boat. And there's the unit there, and but you can run it on 12 volt as well. I just haven't got round to that yet. I don't have 12 volt on the side of the rig on the side of the boat. Cable just runs along there, through there, and then it just goes up here somewhere, out of the way, up outside, up to the aerial. Solwish come with great instructions, as you can see here. They give you a really good rundown on how to do it. I am not computer literate by any means, but I can work this system quite well. And it just goes through and tells you step by step. They also have a really good support network on the phone and via email, so you can give them a ring and they'll do that. Really good setup. And I just thought I'd show you how many more it picks up. Wi-Fi in the area. So if you go on here, that's what we're connected to at the moment. So this is on the Solwish on my router. This is what it's picking up in the way of Wi-Fi signals. And as you go through, you can see 100% there for B53, whatever that is. We're actually connected to this one down here at the moment, which is the Premier Marina one, I believe. But as you can see, there are loads and loads and loads of stuff here that you can connect to. So we're looking at, I don't know how many there is there, a lot. That's all the Wi-Fi signals in the area that's being picked up. So obviously we could go on that one and use that one because that's free. And the beauty of this is this is set up so that it shows the router as second wind. You could call it whatever you want, but I've called it second wind, but you could put some John Smith on it or something. So if you go into a cafe or a restaurant or whatever and use their Wi-Fi, it just comes up with John Smith, whatever. But then anybody that's on the boat, loads of people, can connect into that router, and it only comes up as one person. So you could have 10 people on that one name, all being routed through your boat, and it's really, really good. So get rid of all these pop-ups. So that's that. So at the moment we're on the Premier Marina one, and link rate at the moment we've got a lot going on at the moment, so we've got the TV on it as well. But yeah, it's absolutely brilliant bit of kit. It does really well. I just thought I would add this screenshot from the computer. This is all the Wi-Fi that's available without the router. As you can see, top one is second wind, which is the router, and after that there's only was it 6 other Wi-Fi, maybe 5 other Wi-Fi that's available. Obviously there's the Marina one, which is fair enough, that's got a thing locally, and then there's the cafe just across the road. But we get much better signals with the Solwish equipment, so I'd like to thank them for letting me review it for them. If you've got any questions on the equipment or how it is, I am no expert. Contact them directly. You can find them, just Google them. You can find them on the internet. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.